Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Face ID is not available. Try setting up Face ID later. So as if you're facing this problem while setting up your Face ID on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So for that, simply watch this video till the end. So as first of all, you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I force restart the device, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So I check this, and after this go back, and from here scroll it below, and from here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and reset all settings of your device for one time from here. So I do this and check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then you have to contact Apple support for further information and help. So as hopefully they will help you to fix this problem within 24 hours. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.